IFL Champions League, the IFL Finance, organizing its first ever Pan-India cricket tournament. More than 200 players showcased their talent over the first 2 days, and now this is the time for the final. And here comes the first delivery. Here we go. Oh, that's a good start. Chance over and out. Oh, that was close. That's a great start by the bowler. This is Devang. He's been one of the best bowlers in this tournament, without the shadow of a doubt. He started off pretty well. He's got some really hot pace as well. So not at all easy for the batters to play him. Shivaji off the mark on the very first delivery. Ajay on strike. That's a good delivery. He's played it nicely. Oh, he's missed it. Would have been chance of a run out again, but that's a bit of a fumble. Two deliveries have been bowled nicely by Devang, and both the batsmen are now off the mark. This is an 8-over match. Let me remind my viewers and all the spectators who've come all the way from not only cities in India but also overseas as well. Oh, what a delivery! Wow! That's a peach right in the very first over. Third delivery, and Devang right on the money there. Shivaji almost lost his off stump. In the air! Is that going to be a catch? He's dropped it! That was a great attempt by Javed, but not a good shot by Shivaji. Tremendous bowling. Devang is not amused. He's a bit disappointed, and why not? This could have been the first wicket. Javed did not time his run towards the catch. Could have been the first wicket, but nonetheless, tremendous bowling, and they're already having a meeting in the middle there. Both the players, both the batters. This is really good stuff by Devang. Maratha Warriors for the first time look to be under a bit of pressure, if not much, in this tournament. This is high quality stuff by a champion fast bowler. Oh, look at that, look at that. Chance of a run out. If that hit, oh, that was close. That was close. If that would have hit, it would have been bye-bye Ajay, but a quick single taken. This is high electricity drama, high intensity cricket. Right from the word go by both the teams, just the first over in this final. And look at the level of intensity already, the level of effort that is being put in this final. That's a great shot, straight to the fielder. This will not be a run. And just 4 of the first over, tremendous bowling. What a start, Mitesh. Tremendous bowling by Devang here.
Absolutely not expected. But the way the bowling, good start. Only 4 runs conceded, and Shivaji and Ajay on pressure, but they will get a comeback. Because 8 overs game, this is like just settling on the crease, and now coming in the second over coming up. And who will bowl from the team Royal Gujarat Lions? Smith into the attack. Breathe. S. Oh, that's gone. Would you believe it? Excellent bowling. It went for dot ball. Good start from Smith. Pressurizing Maratha Warriors. What a start this is from Gujarat Lions. Wow. Just going down the leg side for wide. Looking to sweep, but going down the leg side. And this will be the best versus best. 8 overs match, the grand finale of the IFL Finance Champions League. The very first, and this time they're not giving any room. Hey, there's something mixed up. Direct hit could be gone. Excellent stuff. Devang and now Smith putting the pressure on the batters. Shivaji and Ajay just rotating with the singles. What a start this is. अच्छी बॉलिंग की शुरुआत की है अब शिवाजी स्ट्राइक पर और इस बार उठा दिया है हवा में गेंद मौका है और यहां पर थोड़ी गड़बड़ हुई है डायरेक्ट हिट मौका था 2 रन यहां पर लेंगे कैच छूटा सपना टूटा सारे प्लेयर्स का दिल टूटा है और वो आसान नहीं होता बहुत हाई कैचेस वो लपकने के लिए गए थे फील्डर थोड़ा वहां पर तालमेल में गड़बड़ हुई है लक इन द फेवर ऑफ मराठा वॉरियर्स 8 for no loss slow one but this time he hits that will go no what a stop that was suddenly the fielder coming in the frame what a stop 2 runs save for the team. Is that Hiren? Yes, the man, the switch hit master, Hiren. What a stop. Murti Lahan pan Kirti Mahan. 10 balls being bowled, 10 for none. And that's gone. The fireworks is on. Damdar, Shandar, Jordar. गेंद को भेज दिया है सीधे अंतरिक्ष में 6 रन के लिए शिवाजी अब वो इस गाड़ी को डायरेक्ट 5वें गियर में बेहतरीन दमदार सिक्सर 16 रन इस ओवर की आखिरी गेंद करेंगे स्मिथ now they realize that catch dropped. Oh, good bowling, good comeback. Oh, what a bowling. That's a big appeal, big shout. And for the why they all appealing. But no contact between bat and ball. Umpire unmoved. 2 was gone, 16 for none. A bit of good comeback, Shalin, after the first over.
Oh, absolutely. And that is what happens when you drop catches of players like Shivaji. And rarely have we seen only 1 6 being hit in 2 overs by Maratha Warriors. It's the first time that Maratha Warriors have scored only 1 6 in the first 2 overs. That speaks volumes about the preparation of the bowlers. And 12 runs scored in the previous over, but there was a drop catch again. So there's been 2 times that catches have been dropped in 2 overs. And that is where I think Maratha Warriors have an upper edge. They have such wonderful catches. They don't drop catches at all. And we've already seen 2 drop catches in the first 2 overs by the Royal Gujarat Lions. It's going to be Hiren coming to bowl his first over. Ajay on strike. And the score is 16 without any wicket, which is a very muted score. Usually we are used to seeing Maratha Warriors score at a run rate of at least 15 runs an over, if not more. But this is a great start by the Gujarat Royal Lions bowlers. It's Hiren now. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Tremendous start. He's been probably their MVP, just like Mayur Divekar. Not only does he bowl so well, but he bats in the pressure situations and he gets the team across the line. What a start by Hiren. On strike is Ajay. Oh, look at that. Tremendous bowling. What a Yorker. Looks as if he's practiced this delivery a lot. Bowls the perfect delivery every time he bowls that Yorker. Not at all easy for any batter to dig in that and play that for runs. Hiren is bowling with his tail up. He's bowling his first over, but look at that. How accurate and how impactful the first two deliveries have been. 2 dots in a row. Pressure is on Ajay now. That's a good shot. Javed will be fielding that. Just a single at long on. Good delivery by Hiren. 3 deliveries for just a single. This is tremendous bowling. And Ajay has now played 7 deliveries for just 4 runs. So very uncharacteristic start by the Maratha Warriors. Credit goes to the Royal Gujarat Lions. The way they've bowled in the first couple of overs, and this one also has been really good. Oh, what a shot. And that's a great stop. Wow. They've placed the fielders. Chance of a run out. But they have completed the second run. It was a very good stop, but all of a sudden he started playing basketball. Don't know why. Bit of a fumble and 2 runs taken quickly. Oh, this time could be a boundary, will be a boundary. Nobody will be able to stop that. Shivaji has started off nicely. And he is playing a very good knock out there. This time he plays it over the covers fielder for a boundary. Score is 23. And Shivaji has scored 18 of those 23 runs in just 10 deliveries. 1 6 and 1 boundary to his name. Very uncharacteristic. This is the third over. The score is just 23. Usually they score 50 runs in 2 overs. But this is the final and the pressure is showing up for sure. That's a good delivery. Very nicely bowled, just a single this time. Hiren has been spot on with the line and the length, especially with the length. And that's the end of a tremendous over. Just 8 of that, 24 without loss after 3 overs. This is excellent bowling, Mitesh. You can't expect a Maratha Warriors team to score just 24 in 3 overs.
देखना होगा अब वो ताबड़तोड़ बल्लेबाजी कब आएंगी. अब देखना होगा अजय और शिवाजी. लेकिन ऑलरेडी शिवाजी 19 of 11, 1-4 and 1-6 पर जिस प्रकार से बल्लेबाजी कर रहे हैं थोड़ा और अपेक्षित करेंगे और ताबड़तोड़ खेलेंगे. 24 अच्छी शुरुआत. देवांग, स्मिथ, हिरेन कोई मौका नहीं दे रहे. Grand finale, live from Khalsa College ground, Matunga, Mumbai. We all witnessing Sunday Fun Day, the exciting day, Super Sunday Dhamaka. Arjun, the new bowler, coming into the attack. Ajay on strike. Arjun, the number 33 on his back. Shivaji on strike. Oh, that's being played, but just a single. The Gujarat Lions has kept absolutely fantastic tight bowling. बेहतरीन बॉलिंग प्रदर्शन. पूरी तरह से तहस महस कर दिया है मराठा वॉरियर्स को. लेकिन वो कहते हैं पिक्चर अभी बाकी है. और इस बार खेल दिया है सीधे फील्डर के बाद. नो, यहाँ पे मिस फील्ड. यहाँ पे बैकअप फील्डर है डीप में. 1 रन चुराएंगे. 26 बिना किसी विकेट के नुकसान पर मराठा वॉरियर्स. और इस बार उठा दिया है. बेहतरीन एफर्ट. क्या लपक लिया है. ओ माय गॉड, इम्पॉसिबल. व्हाट अ कैच. Glenn Phillips will be shocked, Shalin.
Absolutely, what a stunner that was. Probably the catch of the tournament. Javed it is, who's done the unthinkable. He dropped the catch earlier. And look at the way he has redeemed himself. What a comeback by Javed. And it's the big wicket of Shivaji that has gone down for the Maratha Warriors. But look at the effort and look at the catch. Just have a look at that replay on the screens. Oh, that's a stunner. This is the best catch of the tournament without the shadow of a doubt. And what an effort by Javed. He did drop a catch earlier. And look at the way he's redeemed himself. And here we go with the one-liner of Mitesh. Javed, what a catch. Absolutely stunning.
जावेद के लिए कहना चाहूंगा, जावेद भाई छा गए और सभी के दिलों में भा गए.
And here comes the nemesis of all the teams, Mayur Divekar. What a brilliant player this guy is.
Mayur. Oh, good bowling. Wow. Pressure on Mayur also there. Excellent bowling from Arjun. वो कहते हैं जिनके आने से बॉलर जाते हैं डर, आ गए हैं मयूर दिवेकर. और मयूर दिवेकर को भी यहां पर प्रेशराइज किया है अर्जुन ने. High in the air, chance for the one more. Oh! कैच छूटा, सबसे बड़ा सपना टूटा है. अगर ये कैच होता तो शालीन वो आने वाले 50 रन.
Yeah, absolutely. That could have been the moment of this match. Look at that. What an effort by the bowler. Let's give it up for the bowler. It is not easy running backwards and taking such a high catch. And it is always difficult under the lights as well when they're up in the skies out there. But Maratha Warriors look to be under pressure, definitely, for the first time in this tournament. They are the crowd favorites, and sometimes the expectations get the better of you. And right now, Maratha Warriors are definitely feeling the heat. 3.5 overs, 27 for 1. Mayur Divekar already gets a lifeline. This is the 4th over. And this is absolutely stunning bowling by Arjun Ratwa. 5 deliveries and 3 runs he's given, and he's taken an important wicket of Shivaji courtesy. A brilliant catch by Javed. Could have been his second wicket and the most important one of this innings as well. Oh, look at that. Ajay has no idea about that delivery. He has no clue. And that's the end of the 4th over. Just 27 on the board. 27 for 1 after 4 overs. And Royal Gujarat Lions, they're prepared brilliantly for this final. Mark my words, guys. Just 27 runs on the board. And they've lost the important wicket of Shivaji. Ajay, 9 deliveries, just 5 runs to his name. A strike rate of just 56. Would you believe it? A Maratha Warriors player with a strike rate of 56. But this is the kind of bowling the Royal Gujarat Lions have bowled in this first innings till now. Half of the innings is over. 4 overs have been bowled. Just 27 on the board. And they've lost Shivaji as well. So it's going to be a really high pressure scenario for the next 4 overs. And let's see how Maratha Warriors cope with the pressure and the requirement of the run rate as well. They would need at least 50-60 runs in the next 4 overs. And we've got Hiren coming to bowl his second over. Got Hiren bowling to Mayur. Oh, this is absolutely stunning bit of bowling. And they have bogged them down completely. Not able to hit their regular shots as well. Maratha Warriors. Starts off with a dot. Again, Hiren. And they are putting in a lot of effort, the bowlers out there. Bowling some really hot pace. Quick delivery is not at all easy to play. That's a good delivery, played nicely. Just a single at deep extra cover. Tremendous fielding, great throw as well. 28 for 1 in 4.2. This is absolutely a stunning bit of bowling by all the bowlers of the Royal Gujarat Lions. This time could be chance of a catch. What a catch! Would you believe it? He's taken a blinder. Absolutely stunning bit of fielding. Tremendous catching. And the batsman is not able to believe that. Just have a look at that. That's a stunning effort. And they're all over in the field out there, the Royal Gujarat Lions. First Javed, and this time it was Devang who took an exceptional catch. It's Smith actually who's taken that catch. That's a great start to the new batter. Tremendous bowling by Hiren. That's a good delivery. Low full toss. He was trying to play the big shot. Did not succeed and he's off the mark. So Pratik off the mark with a single. Mayur back on strike. Oh, what a delivery. Exceptional bowling by Hiren, and that's the end of the fifth over. And they have done exceptionally well. Look at the score. It's 29 for 2 after 5 overs. The run rate is not even 6 runs an over. Who would have expected the Maratha Warriors to be under such pressure, that too in a final? This is the team who scored 148 in just 6 overs. And right now they are struggling to even reach 50. 5 overs, 29 for 2. This is absolutely exceptional bowling performance by the Royal Gujarat Lions. And some really brilliant catching as well. 2 game-changing catches by their fielders Javed and Smith. And here comes their premier bowler Devang to bowl the 6th over. Last 3 overs remaining. Maratha Warriors don't have too many options but to go for big hits. They would be wanting to score at least 40 runs of these 3 overs, if not more. But they have the potential to score even 60. It's Pratik on strike. And Devang coming to bowl his 2nd over. Oh, and what a delivery. He almost got him. Tremendous bowling. And the kind of bowling they've bowled, the entire Maratha Warriors dugout is silent right now. Just waiting for some big shots to come. They have been champion cricketers, but Royal Gujarat Lions, they have strategized brilliantly before this final. The preparation that they've done, not just with their game, but mentally as well, is clearly visible. That's a good delivery. Just a single. Oh, and Pratik probably was almost about to hit the stumps, but a quick single taken. And this is the wicket that they would want to have, but this batsman is absolutely out of this world. Let's see if he could make an impact here. In the air. And he's gone! He is gone! They have taken the biggest wicket. What a catch again! Look at that celebration out there. The entire crowd is dancing in the aisles. Big wicket. Mayur Divekar has gone back to the pavilion. A tremendous bowling performance by Devang. And the way that catch was taken, absolutely brilliant. The biggest wicket of this innings in my opinion. And Maratha Warriors have their backs to the wall now. That's an absolutely brilliant catch taken. Look at that catch, look at that replay, and look at the celebration post that. Exceptional cricket by the Royal Gujarat Lions. Maratha Warriors are completely on the back foot right now. Somebody will have to score runs for them. They've got a lot of talent, depth. Akshay is the new batter, and the captain mentioned that they bat till number 9. But the number of runs currently is pretty less. They will have to start scoring some big shots. This is an exceptional bowling and catching and fielding performance by the Royal Gujarat Lions. Maratha Warriors will have to play out of their skin now to get back into this match. This is the 6th over, and the score currently is just 30 with 3 important wickets back in the hut. Mayur Divekar scores just 2 runs of 6 deliveries. Would you believe it? Look at the strike rate, just 33. Ajay's strike rate, just 50. 10 deliveries, 5 runs. And we've got Pratik now, who's played 4 deliveries for just 2 runs. So it's 30 for 3 in 5.3. And the Royal Gujarat Lion bowlers are bowling with their tails up. Absolutely brilliant performance, to say the least. They've made a scream out of our lungs out here. Such is the impact of this bowling performance by the Royal Gujarat Lions. Here comes a new batter, Akshay. What a bowling performance again. Tremendous start. And Devang is currently bowling like a bowling machine. Every ball he delivers just goes into the block hole. Not at all easy for any batter to even touch that delivery. Leave aside a big connection, a good connection. Oh, and this time could be a boundary, which is a much-needed one. And yes, that is going to go into the fence. And that's leg by, so still not getting connection with the bat. But nonetheless, 4 important runs. High-octane drama here. Box office stuff. The entire crowd is on the edge of their seats. Maratha Warriors, they were the favorites, but the way the Royal Gujarat Lions have bowled, it has been a revelation. Oh, look at that length, right in the block hole. He's bowling like a bowling machine. That's what I mentioned, and I'll maintain that. 2 overs and just 5 runs. What a spell in a final. Absolutely stunning bowling by Devang. And look at those Yorkers that he's bowled. You would want to watch this spell on the YouTube stream once you go home. Once again. Mitesh, 6 overs, 34 for 3. Look at how they have bogged down the Maratha Warriors completely. They've tied down the flow of runs. And what do you think could be the final score now? Scoring 50 also could be, difficult for Maratha Warriors currently.
Yeah, absolutely. A fantastic performance this is. There's no question about that. Royal Gujarat Lions पूरी तरह से तहस महस कर दिया है. Only 5.67 is the current run rate. They're playing right now, but 2 overs left. We'll get that 15, 20 runs, 30 runs. Incoming 2 overs. Will be something decent score. They will set up on the board. Maratha Warriors. Still the story is not over. There's something to cheer for Maratha Warriors because they have a big batting lineup. And let's see. Important over coming up. Arjun, 1 over 3 runs, only 1 wicket. Oh, gone! Excellent bowling. पूरी तरह से तहस महस कर दिया है. और जिस प्रकार से बॉलिंग की है, कोई यहां पर मौका नहीं दिया मराठा वॉरियर्स को. अर्जुन दूसरे विकेट लेने में कामयाब हुए हैं और यहां पर प्रतीक को भेज दिया सीधे पवेलियन.
जी हाँ, यहाँ अर्जुन ने जैसे धनुर्धर अर्जुन की तरह, जो पांडव थे अर्जुन, जिनकी नजर सिर्फ चिड़िया की आंख पर थी, उस तरह से उनकी नजर भी सिर्फ स्टंप्स पर थी और उसी तरह से अर्जुन ने धराशायी कर दिया स्टंप्स को. जबरदस्त यहां पर गेंदबाजी की परफॉर्मेंस. क्या प्रदर्शन है रॉयल गुजरात लायंस का. एक रॉयल टीम की तरह खेल रहे हैं वो. और जिस तरह से टॉस पे उनके कप्तान ने इतना कॉन्फिडेंस दिखाया था, इतना ज्यादा वो खुश थे अपनी टीम से, वो पता चल रहा है अभी इस परफॉर्मेंस में फाइनल में कि क्यों इतना कॉन्फिडेंट थे और कितना खुश थे.
बिल्कुल सही फरमाया आपने. और ये कॉन्फिडेंस, सही डिसीजन और बॉलिंग का निर्णय लिया, सबसे बड़ा डिसीजन. और ये देखिए आपकी मेहनत रंग लाई है.
जी हाँ, लेकिन अभी मराठा वॉरियर्स को पूरी तरह से यहाँ पर राइट ऑफ नहीं कर सकते हैं. 34 for 4 in 6.1. The run rate is less than 6 runs an over, which is absolutely uncharacteristic when we associate this with Maratha Warriors. But that is how impactful the bowling of the Royal Gujarat Lions have been. Have tied them completely with the flow of runs, and Vishal Gharat coming into bat probably for the first time in the final. He's not got a chance to bat earlier. Oh, and that is what happens when you don't bat in the entire tournament. You miss the full tosses as well. A low full toss missed by the batter. He's off the mark though. And sometimes this is the thing that happens when your top order keeps on performing. The same thing happened with India also in the 2019 World Cup. Their batters did not get a chance throughout the tournament. Rohit Sharma was at the peak of his prowess. Virat Kohli was scoring tremendous runs, top of the order. But when the semi-final came against the New Zealand team and the top order was annihilated by Trent Bolt and Matt Henry, the middle order crumbled badly, and that's what is happening here with the Maratha Warriors. Oh, and that should be probably... Oh, he's gone! Look at that! Whatever they are touching is turning to gold. What was that? That's a wide as well. Huge drama on that delivery. Whatever Royal Gujarat Lions is touching is turning to gold right now. What a throw and what a run out.
They're playing bit of lawn tennis there, Shalin, but they got a wicket. And finally, cricket wins.
Yeah, absolutely. Brilliant performance by the Royal Gujarat Lions. That was a wide delivery. The batsman chose to run the first one. They chose to go for the overthrow run as well. And what a throw by the fielder at long off, right from a long distance. And half of the team is back in the hut in the 7th over, 37 for 5. Would you believe it? They have collapsed like a stand of bicycles. Literally. Oh, look at that. Maratha Warriors. Vaidul is Vaidul is the new batter. And he starts off with a dot delivery. Royal Gujarat Lions, they are bowling the spell of their lives, all their bowlers. Maratha team is a superlative team, we all know that. But looks as if their strategies have not worked. Oh, and what a shot! This is going to be a huge six, wow! And this is what Maratha Warriors need and their team wants at the moment, and their supporters as well. That was a big hit by Vaidul. It's Akshay, beg your pardon. Vaidul is at the non-strikers, and what a shot by Akshay.
सीधे साधे अक्षय नहीं, ये धमाकेदार अक्षय है. एक्सीलेंट. और अक्षय जी कहते हैं जब मैं बोलता हूँ वो करके दिखाता हूँ.
44 for 5 in 6.5 overs. The run rate finally has crossed the 6 runs mark. What a shot! And that's a big six. Vaidul at his best. And that's the 50 up. It's 50 for 5 after the end of 7 overs, 16 of this over. Brilliant batting. And Akshay and Vaidul doing the job for the team. 7 overs have been bowled. The score is 50 for 5. Last 6 deliveries, Mitesh. They should score at least 20 runs in this over to stay in the match.
Something to be cheer for Maratha Warriors. वो कहते हैं पिक्चर अभी बाकी है मेरे दोस्त, मत उड़ाओ आप मेरा होश, क्योंकि मराठा वॉरियर्स ने कमबैक किया है. और वो कहते हैं हार कर जीतने वाले को कहते हैं बाजीगर. 7 ओवर 50 पे 5. अब आखिरी ओवर इस पहली पारी ऑफ द ग्रैंड फिनाले ऑफ द IIFL Finance Champions League 2025, the first edition, day 2, and Sunday, Super Sunday, exciting Sunday. A fantastic broadcasting from Go Live, a good support we have got. So if you're a fan now, you've become the fan of Go Live, like, subscribe and press the bell icon to get the regular updates. What an exciting. The broadcasting team has done a fantastic job from day 1 and day 2 now. This is all because of your love and support watching from across the globe. Here we go, coming up. Last over the first innings. 50 पे 5. And that's a good strike. Good bowling, a beauty of a delivery. will get only a 1 run. यहाँ पर कुछ कहा नहीं जा सकता अगर मराठा वॉरियर्स की बॉलिंग इससे भी डबल सरप्राइज पैकेज हो, और यहाँ पे सरप्राइज पैकेज ऑलरेडी दिया है और देखना होगा अब 51 for 5, last 5 balls coming up. Short-step delivery, but not the proper elevation. Chance for the catch and gone. और एक विकेट. अजब गजब है इनका क्रिकेट. मौसम मस्ताना, रस्तान जाना, गुजरात लायंस ने कर दिया सबको दीवाना. दीवाना बना दिया है. और ये आप देख सकते हैं एक्शन रिप्ले. अपने आप से निराश हो गए थे शॉट मारने के बाद. उनको पता था ये आउट होंगे, लेकिन कोशिश अभी है जारी. 51 for 6.
जी हाँ मितेश, और ये तभी होता है जब आपके बल्लेबाजों ने टूर्नामेंट में कभी भी बैटिंग ना की हो, अचानक से फाइनल में एक ऐसा सिचुएशन आए जब आपके निचले क्रम के बल्लेबाजों में मिडिल ऑर्डर को अचानक से बड़े छक्के लगाने हैं, ज़्यादा रन बनाने हैं, लेकिन वो प्रिपेयर्ड मेंटली तो होते हैं, लेकिन जब तक आप पिच पे रन नहीं बनाते हो एक टूर्नामेंट में, तब तक आपको पिच का अंदाज़ा नहीं होता है, कंडीशंस का अंदाज़ा नहीं होता है. और यही हो रहा है मराठा वॉरियर्स के साथ. बेहतरीन गेंदबाजी, तारीफ करनी होगी यहां पर साहिल की, जो अपनी टीम की नैया को साहिल तक ले जा रहे हैं. 7.3 overs, 51 for 6. Priyank would be a happy captain till now. Last 3 deliveries remaining. और आतिश ने एक और गेंद मिस कर दी है. क्या ये कुछ आतिशबाजी दिखा पाएंगे अपने बल्ले से? आखिरी 2 गेंद बची हुई हैं. अब ये देखना है, आतिशी पारी चाहिए आतिश के बल्ले से. In the air, this could be a catch. He's gone. And Javed, the safe hands. And he's safe as a house. Javed takes a good catch at long on boundary. और आतिश की ये पारी आतिशबाजी से पहले ही समाप्त हो गई. मितेश, क्या गेंदबाजी की है यहाँ पर रॉयल गुजरात लायंस ने. बांध के रख दिया है, और देखिए एक और विकेट ले लिया है. धराशायी कर दी है यहाँ पर बल्लेबाजी करने वाली टीम को. 51 पर 7 विकेट हो गया है और एक ही गेंद बची है इस पारी में.
51 रन तो खुद मयूर दिवेकर बनाते हैं हर मैच में, और एक मैच उन्होंने चेस किया था मात्र 2 ओवर में 48 रन. लास्ट बॉल कमिंग अप.
Last delivery. We've got a new batter. Quick single. They'll have to come back for the second. Will this be a run? Oh, he's lost his bat. And he's gone. 52 is the final score after the end of 8 overs. What a performance by the Royal Gujarat Lions. Maratha Warriors are completely on the back foot after the first innings. And 53 is the target for the Royal Gujarat Lions. What a match we have on our hands. And tremendous bowling performance by Priyank and his team, the Royal Gujarat Lions. Maratha Warriors cannot be taken lightly. They have a tremendous bowling attack, but they have probably scored 20-30 runs less than what they would have liked in a final. But this is a final. The pressure will be on both the teams, not just one team. So just keep watching. Don't go away. We'll be back live with the second innings in like 5 minutes from now. And this is absolutely stunning bit of bowling by the Royal Gujarat Lions. Mitesh, what do you have to say about this? क्या गेंदबाजी की है इन्होंने?
बिल्कुल यहाँ पर पूरी तरह से प्रश्न चिन्ह लगाया है अब मराठा वॉरियर्स पर क्या डिफेंड करेंगे, क्या करेंगे चेस। और सही निर्णय लिया है शालीन। वो कहते हैं टॉस जीतने के बाद फील्डिंग का निर्णय और दिया है बैटिंग। तो आप करिए बैटिंग, हम करेंगे चेस। कौन जीतेगा इस मैच का रेस?
जी हाँ, और टॉस जीतने के बाद ऐसा कहा जाता है कि आप बड़े मैचेस में अगर टॉस जीतते हैं तो आधा मैच तो आप वहीं जीत जाते हैं। तो ये तो डेफिनेटली एक बहुत बड़ा फैक्टर होता है। हालांकि क्रिकेट आजकल बहुत ज़्यादा अनिश्चितताओं का खेल हो गया है, ऐसा नहीं कह सकते, लेकिन पलड़ा तो जरूर इस समय रॉयल गुजरात लायंस का भारी है। क्योंकि जो टीम 6 ओवर में 148 बना सकती है वो 8 ओवर में 52 रन पर समेट दी गई है। बहुत बड़ी उपलब्धि मैं कहूँगा, बिग अचीवमेंट फॉर द रॉयल गुजरात लायंस बॉलर्स। एंड उनकी फील्डिंग भी क्या ज़बरदस्त रही इस मैच में। क्या कैचेस लिए, कुछ कैचेस ड्रॉप भी किए, लेकिन जो कैचेस लिए ज़बरदस्त भरपाई कर दी उन्होंने। और अब बॉलिंग फिगर्स देखिए, देवांग कनूडू 2 ओवर में सिर्फ 5 रन, हिरेन 2 ओवर में सिर्फ 10 रन, साहिल 1 ओवर में सिर्फ 2 रन और 2 विकेट। वाह!
लेकिन वो कहते हैं नेवर अंडर एस्टिमेट द पावर ऑफ मराठा वॉरियर्स फॉर एनी क्रिकेट कंटेंटर, बट यू नेवर नो, समथिंग मैजिकल कमिंग अप, वो सरप्राइज पैकेज।
Absolutely, they have Mayur Divekar as a premium fast bowler. They have Vishal, they have Akshay, some really good bowlers. But मुझे फिर भी लगता है कि शायद 20-30 रन कम बने एक फाइनल के हिसाब से। 8 ओवर में 52 रन तो आप सिंगल डबल खेल के भी बना सकते हो अगर आप सेंसिबली खेलें। बहुत ज़्यादा आपको बड़े शॉट्स खेलने की रिक्वायरमेंट नहीं है, ज़रूरत नहीं है। तो यहाँ पर बड़ी सी चूक मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कि हो गई बल्लेबाजों से। ज़्यादा बड़े बड़े शॉट्स मारने के चक्कर में एक के बाद एक आउट होते गए और पीछे के बल्लेबाजों ने साथ नहीं दिया। हालांकि कप्तान संतोष ने टॉस के समय कहा था कि उनकी 9 नंबर तक बल्लेबाजी है, लेकिन बल्लेबाजी तो 9 नंबर तक आई, 9वां नंबर का बल्लेबाज बल्लेबाजी करने आया, लेकिन रन किसी ने भी नहीं बनाया आज। 52 रन पर 7 विकेट के साथ, या आखिरी गेंद पर विकेट गया था तो 8 विकेट थे, उसके साथ उनकी पारी समाप्त हुई। और मराठा वॉरियर्स के लिए अच्छा खासा यहाँ पर चैलेंज है कि इस 52 रन के स्कोर को क्या वो डिफेंड कर पाते हैं। 53 रन का टारगेट है रॉयल गुजरात लायंस के लिए। और गुजरात के जितने भी सपोर्टर्स हैं इस समय डांस कर रहे होंगे, क्योंकि उनकी विमेंस टीम ने भी फाइनल जीत लिया है ऑलरेडी, और अब उनके मेंस टीम एक बहुत अच्छी पोजीशन में आ गए हैं इस ऑल इंपॉर्टेंट फाइनल में।
ओके, तो लेट्स सी नाउ, मुंबईचा वडा पाव या गुजरात जलेबी फाफड़ा। पर शालीन अगर कोई भी जीतता है तो ये एक जो डिश है, स्पेशल डिश, तो हमको मिलने वाली है, आइदर जलेबी फाफड़ा और मुंबई सा वड़ा पाव।
जी हाँ, ये डील तो हमने पहले ही कर ली थी, या तो हमें वड़ा पाव मिलेगा या जलेबी फाफड़ा मिलेगा। हम ऐसे जाने नहीं देंगे, जो भी टीम जीतती है उसको हम हक से मांगेंगे। हम भी आज प्रिया गोल्ड का ऐड देख के आए, हक से मांगो, तो हम आज हक से मांगेंगे। So we are out here for the IFL Finance Champions League final in the men's category. What a match we've had till now. The Maratha Warriors lost the toss. The Royal Gujarat Lions, they won the toss, elected to field. They asked the Maratha Warriors to bat first. A team which has been scoring above 15 runs almost every match they've played. 15 runs per over has been their minimum run rate. And look at the final score after the first innings. Maratha Warrior could score only 52 in 8 overs. And this is really uncharacteristic of a champion team. But they've got some really good bowlers as well. However, Royal Gujarat Lions इस समय बहुत ज़्यादा कॉन्फिडेंट होंगे, बहुत ज़्यादा आत्मविश्वास से भरे होंगे। जिस तरह से उनके गेंदबाजों ने एक बेहतरीन सा प्लेटफॉर्म खड़ा कर दिया है उनके बल्लेबाजों के लिए कि वो इस दूसरी पारी में 53 रन बनाकर इस मैच को भी जीतें और इस चैंपियनशिप को भी अपने नाम कर लें, क्योंकि उनकी पूरी टीम और पूरी कंटिंजेंट कल से बोल रही है कि जलेबी फाफड़ा खाएंगे और ट्रॉफी घर ले जाएंगे। अब देखना है कि जैसे कि विमेन टीम ने, रॉयल गुजरात लायंस की विमेन टीम ने ट्रॉफी घर ले जाएंगे कि इस बात को सही किया और ट्रॉफी जीती उन्होंने फाइनल में। क्या उनके लड़के भी, मेन क्रिकेट टीम भी ट्रॉफी जीत पाती है। एंड वी आर अबाउट टू स्टार्ट द फर्स्ट ओवर। It is Mayur who's coming into bowl, the first delivery. And we have on strike the two openers out there. With Nimesh and Priyank. First delivery, here we go. That's a good delivery, he's played it nicely. This should be the first runs on the board. That's a good piece of batting by Nimesh. She's off the mark right from the word go. Priyank, the captain, is on strike. Mayur to Priyank. Oh, and was that a catch? Looks as if he's dropped it. But Mayur looked excited. What a delivery that was. And Mayur is a tremendous bowler. We all know his capabilities as an all-rounder. Could not do much with the bat. But he has the ball in his hand, and I'm very sure he'll be bowling 2 overs. He's their premier bowler. What a performance by the teams out there, both the finals. Both the finalist teams have been exceptional throughout the tournament. And it's the dot delivery by Mayur to Priyank, coming to bowl his next delivery. Oh, look at that. Extremely good length. The full delivery, Priyank trying to sweep that. Missed it completely. Mayur is on fire. Right from the word go, his first over. Oh, look at that. Chance of a run out. He's gone. Nimesh is gone. Oh, he's got clean bowled. Okay. Oh, ho. Lot of drama. It's the captain Priyank who's got clean bowled. And he's going back to the pavilion. Look at that. It's hit wicket actually. Looks as if this is hit wicket. Lot of drama. It was a run out at the other end as well. But eventually, it is Priyank who's got hit wicket. And he's going back to the pavilion. Oh, lot of drama in the first over. Wow. What a start by Maratha Warriors. Great start by... That's a hit wicket. And that was huge confusion between both the batters. Nimesh wanted to take the single. And Priyank was in no mood, but they didn't. It's already a hit wicket. That was a bad shot played by the captain Priyank. That's a good shot. The new batter Smith plays it nicely. Just a single given. This is high quality stuff. Just 2 on the board. 5 deliveries have been bowled. Nimesh back on strike. Oh, he's played it nicely, but that's a good delivery. Another dot. The sound is deafening here. Too much support for the Maratha Warriors. Tremendous start by Mayur. Just 2 on the board after the first over. 2 for 1. And Mitesh, that's a great start by Maratha Warriors as well. Mayur, as always, right on the money in the very first over.
Yeah, as I said, never underestimate the power of Maratha Warriors. Marathi बोली, Marathi बाणा. आगाज हो चुकी है यहाँ पर पूरा विश्वास है डिफेंड करने की, यहाँ पर पूरी तरह से इनकी चाहत है। और वो कहते हैं कि जिंदगी में हमेशा कोशिश और चाहत होनी चाहिए, क्योंकि जितना चाहोगे उतना पाओगे, कोशिश नहीं करोगे तो टाइटर फिश हो जाओगे।
Absolutely, and it's going to be Vishal. Will be bowling. The second over. On strike is Smith. Oh, that's a quick single taken. Good work by the keeper as well, Ajay, but could not stop the single. And I think Priyank ने बहुत जल्दी कर दी, वो स्वीप करना चाह रहे थे। Three for one. The score. Nimesh on strike. That's a good shot. This will be just a single. Good piece of fielding at the deep mid-wicket boundary. The Royal Gujarat Lions 4 for 1. Coming to bowl the next delivery, Vishal. That's played nicely and quick single chance of a run out if that hits. Oh, that was close. A single taken easily. Oh, that's a good delivery. He's played it nicely. The square leg fielder stops it. Good over by Vishal till now. 4 deliveries and just 4 is what he's given. And back on strike is Smith, who has the ability to hit big ones. Will he go for a big shot? Oh, played nicely. This is sensible cricket. They're just ticking off the singles nicely, and another run added to the tally. 5 deliveries, 5 runs. Vishal is trying to mix it up with some cutters out there. The off cutter, the leg cutter. We've seen it both ways by the bowler. And on strike is now Nimesh again. Oh, and that's a good delivery. Nimesh has missed it. And that's the end of the second over. 7 for 1 after 2 overs. 46 is what they need in 36 deliveries. 7 for 1. Mitesh, this is going to be definitely going down the wire till the last over. What do you think? And Gujarat Lions will have to kind of attack. Otherwise, they will be bogged down. Maratha Warriors are bowling pretty well.
बिल्कुल दोनों टीम यहाँ पर कोशिश करेंगे और ऐसे ही हार मानने वाली नहीं है। वो कहते हैं फाइनल है, ग्रैंड फिनाले है। और यहाँ पर मराठा वॉरियर्स, गुजरात लायंस, अभी भी कुछ कहा नहीं जा सकता शालीन।
Absolutely, and 2 overs have been bowled, 7 for 1. Quite a muted start by the Royal Gujarat Lions as well. Looks as if it is Mayur only who's coming to bowl the second over of his spell. Mayur Divekar coming to bowl his second over. On strike is Smith. The score is 7 for 1. And they need 46 in 36 deliveries. It's a good delivery. Look at that pace. He's bowling with a lot of pace, raw pace out there on display. This is not easy for any batter to face such hot pace. Absolutely brilliant bowling by Mayur Divekar. Tremendous stuff. In the air! Will that be a catch? Oh, what a catch! Brilliant! Smith goes back to the pavilion. Mayur Divekar on fire. What a catch that was! Shubham takes an amazing high catch, which was high up in the air. And what a comeback by the Maratha Warriors. Mayur Divekar on fire. He is at his best currently. And Smith, a big wicket, goes down back to the pavilion.
वो कहते हैं शालिन एकदम से वक्त बदल दिया, जज्बात बदल दी, जिंदगी बदल दी, पूरी कहानी बदल दी। और ये देखना होगा कौन रचेगा इतिहास, कौन कहलाएगा मुकद्दर का सिकंदर।
जी हाँ, कौन रचेगा इतिहास और कौन सी टीम कहलाएगी सबसे खास, ये देखना है। द स्कोर इज नाउ 7 for 2 in 2.2. This is high quality cricket by Maratha Warriors. 7 for 2. Royal Gujarat Lions are getting the taste of their own medicine in the second innings. They bowled really well in the first innings. Tremendous stuff. But look at the raw pace with which Mayur Divekar is bowling. Not at all easy for anybody to play such kind of bowling. And we've got Javed now coming into bat. And the umpire seems to be asking for something which we all don't know. And that's a quick trivia for all of you. Umpire क्या मांगा रहे हैं, क्या लगता है?
बॉल चेक कर रहे हैं, कितने बॉल हुए चेक।
कितने बॉल हुए चेक कर रहे हैं? आपको क्या लगता है, क्या मांगा रहे हैं अंपायर, या कुछ चेक कर?
बॉल कितने हुए पूछ रहे हैं।
आपको क्या लगता है अंपायर क्या कर रहे हैं, कुछ चेक कर रहे हैं या कुछ मंगा रहे हैं?
फूड मेन्यू।
फूड मेन्यू, ओहो, दैट्स अ गुड वन। इधर क्राउड से पूछ लेते हैं, क्या लग रहा है अंपायर, क्या कुछ मंगा रहे हैं, कुछ चेक कर रहे हैं, क्या लग रहा है आपको? क्या
बॉल चेंज करवा रहे हैं, सामने वाले डर।
ओके, सामने वाला डर गए, बॉल चेंज करा रहे हैं। आपको क्या लगता है अंपायर क्या कर रहे हैं, क्यों गेम रोका है?
मुझे बस एक ही बोलना है, जीतेंगे हम ही जीतेंगे।
क्वेश्चन है अंपायर क्या कर रहे हैं?
पता नहीं, वो दैट आई डोंट नो।
ये सही आंसर है। Looks as if something the umpires have asked for. क्या कर रहे हैं अंपायर, बताना चाहेंगे?
वो ट्रॉफी दे रहे हैं हमको मराठा का।
अच्छा, वो पहले से ट्रॉफी दे रहे हैं, वाह। तू चल में आया कह रहे हैं। जी हाँ, यहाँ पर सबसे बड़ा सवाल खड़ा हो गया कि अंपायर ने गेम क्यों रोका है। और क्राउड में हमें तरह तरह के आंसर्स मिल रहे हैं। कोई कह रहा है कि फूड मेन्यू की तलाश में अंपायर्स, मुझे लग रहा है I think they are asking for a new ball. That is what probably. Okay, so now we know why the game was stopped, but unfortunately I will not be able to tell you that. जी हाँ, और एक ऐड देखते थे हम, उस ऐड की याद आ गई, सहवाग की माँ का फोन आ गया, तो वो So the match is about to resume. 7 for 2 in 2.2. And Mayur Divekar is bowling with his tail up. Absolutely brilliant performance by the pace bowler. 1.2 overs, 2 wickets and just 2 runs is what he's given. Look at the figures of Mayur Divekar. They need 46 to win in 34 deliveries. And what a catch by Shubham to get rid of Smith. Javed, the new batter on strike for the first time. And he will have to face the raw pace of Mayur. Oh, that's not a good attempt. Sloppy bit of cricket and that's a boundary. That should have been stopped. Should have been just a single. But that was not a good delivery as well. Bowling on his legs. And he just allowed him to whip it towards the fine leg. This could have been a better effort in the field. But this is pressure situation. That's what pressure can do to any player. Could be a good player, could be a very good player, could be an excellent player, doesn't matter. But that's a boundary eventually and Javed is off the mark with the boundary. He's got him! Look at that! What a delivery! And what a bowler this guy is, Mayur Divekar. Absolutely stunning performance by Mayur. He's on fire, Mayur Divekar. And look at that, they're dancing in the aisles there. They've already started celebrating. Tremendous energy shown by the Maratha Warriors supporters. Look at that. Absolutely stunning views here. They all are dancing in the aisles. This is a brilliant bowling performance by Mayur Divekar. 3 wickets to his name in just 1.4 overs. He's given away only 6 runs and he's taken 3 important wickets. All 3 wickets go to Mayur Divekar. 11 for 3 it is. And we are in the 3rd over. What a match we are having and what a final.
Interesting to watch. They're celebrating Diwali, post-Diwali and pre-Christmas.
Absolutely, all festivals being celebrated here with every ball that Mayur Divekar is bowling. Have a look at that, 11 for 3. All 3 wickets to this champion bowler. We haven't seen such a spell in the tournament till now and probably he saved his best for the final. What a champion bowler this guy is. 2 deliveries still remaining. And can he complete a 5-er now? If he takes 2 wickets, probably he'll be the only bowler in the entire tournament to take a 5-er. Not at all an easy task, not at all an easy feat to achieve. But Mayur Divekar is no easy man as well. He is one of the best bowlers we have ever seen in any kind of circuit, not just the tennis ball circuit, but also the leather ball tournaments that we see. 3 players already back in the hut for Royal Gujarat Lions. 42 is what they need in 32 deliveries and the new batter on strike is P.D. Rajput. And he will have to face the Herculean task of facing Mayur Divekar's raw pace. And he's bowling like a bowling machine right now, Divekar. A big appeal. Only Mayur Divekar was the one who was not appealing because he knew that this was not an edge. The umpire unmoved. Everybody appealed apart from Mayur Divekar, who appealed after looking at his players and teammates. And that's a dot delivery again. Tremendous bowling. Just have a look at that. That is not out. That's a great decision by the umpire, not bogging down under pressure. And that is why these umpires are absolutely brilliant. Terrific bowling by Mayur. Can he take another wicket? He's already taken 3. This is the last delivery of his spell. P.D. Rajput facing him. That's a good delivery. He's played that nice. He's off the mark. Long on, doing well. That's the end of the 3rd over. 12 for 3 after the end of 3 overs. And Mayur Divekar, all 3 wickets have gone to him. 2 overs, 7 runs and 3 wickets. What a spell by Mayur. Let's give it up for Mayur Divekar. What a spell. Brilliant bowling by Mayur. Let's give it up for Mayur Divekar. He's brought the entire Maratha contingent back in this match with his exceptional bowling. Mayur Divekar on fire. 3 wickets to his name. All 3 wickets down have been taken by Mayur Divekar. That is what happens when this is a pressure match, a big final. 52 is what they could score. Maratha Warriors is the same team which scored 148 in 6 overs. But look at that pressure. When it comes on anyone at any time. And all they can score is 52. But look at the response their bowlers have given. 12 for 3 already in 3 overs. Tremendous bowling performance by Mayur Devekar. 2 overs, 7 runs and 3 wickets. All 3 wickets going to the same bowler. Champion stuff this is. Top notch. So the Royal Gujarat Lions now need 41 to win in 5 overs. 30 deliveries and 41 to win. Shubham coming into bowl. His first over on strike is PD Rajput. In the air. He's gone. First delivery. Look at them. They're dancing in the aisles there. Maratha Warriors are doing the unthinkable. Tremendous bowling performance. Another catch taken. Another wicket down. And it's 12 for 4 now.
Wow, excellent. वो कहना चाहूंगा पल में तोला पल में माशा आता horns out ढोल ताशा make some noise Maratha Warriors come on ढोल ताशा
जी हाँ मितेश पल में तोला पल में माशा और मराठा वॉरियर्स के गेंदबाजों ने पलट दिया है इस मैच का पासा पल में तोला पल में मासा मराठा वॉरियर्स के गेंदबाजों ने पलट दिया इस मैच का पासा On the count of 3, 1, 2, 3. Hey! And we are having a wave out there coming into bowl. His next delivery is Shubham. The new batter is Sahil, who's played well in the previous matches. But now is the time where he is to perform. What a shot! First delivery! Huge six! Wow! That's a statement by the batter. Brilliant. A full delivery in the slot. And Sahil makes him pay. And what an announcement to the crease by the batter. First delivery out of the park. Big six by Sahil. First ball and look at his strike rate, 600. Somebody has to counter attack if they want to get into this match again. That's a great shot. Oh, what a comeback. What a comeback by Shubham. Absolutely brilliant cricket happening here at the Khalsa Cricket Ground in Matunga, Mumbai. Tremendous atmosphere. Look at them dancing in the aisles there and near the boundary rope. Their dugouts, all of them are filled with so many supporters. Oh, and that should have been hit for some runs. But he's missed that. That was a short delivery. He missed that completely. That was a good decision by the umpire. You can't call that a wide. He's gone. Look at that. And look at them again. Just have a look at them. The leadership team also enjoying with all the players and supporters, their participants. Absolutely brilliant scenes out there. Tremendous scenes. Oh, what a match we are having this final. Who would have thought there would be 18 for 5 in 4 overs. A lot of match still left. 25 deliveries remaining. They need 35 to win. But unfortunately, they don't have anybody to score. Oh, what an answer to the jalebi fafda thing. Vada pav khayenge, trophy leke jayenge. "25 deliveries, 35 to win." The problem is with the wickets. They don't have too many wickets in hand. Half of the team is back in the hut. And the new batter is Gautam, who will be facing Shubham. This is his last delivery, Shubham. The number of runs is definitely achievable. The problem here is the wickets and the pressure. Oh, this could be another catch. He's gone. First delivery. Easy catch to the long on fielder. Look at that. Look at that celebration. 6 wicket down. What a comeback by Maratha Warriors. Absolutely stunning. Six wickets down, and they are in deep trouble. 18 for 6 at the end of the 4th over. And deep waters currently for the Royal Gujarat Lions. We've got a new batter, Devang, who will have to now play his role as a batter. He's been exceptional with the ball. And Nimesh Patel is still there. He's got just 5 deliveries in 4 overs to play, because he's been seeing his partners going back to the pavilion every now and then at regular intervals. And we've got Vishal coming to bowl his second over. Nimesh on strike. 18 for 6. That's a good shot. This will be a single. For a moment, his heart would have been in his mouth. Almost gave it to the fielder at covers. Just a single. And the score is 19 for 6. 4.1. That's a good delivery by Vishal. Devang trying to hit the switch it, misses that completely. 4.2, 19 for 6. They need 34 in 22 deliveries. And probably they'll come back for the second. The first run has been taken quickly, but they will not come back for the second. Devang is off the mark with that single. Score is 20 for 6. What a delivery, what a delivery. He had no clue about that, Nimesh. He's gone. What a catch! What a catch! And what a match! Look at this celebration, guys. Royal Gujarat Lions are speechless. 24/7. What a catch by Vishal. मराठा वॉरियर्स कुछ कहना चाहते हैं क्या? ऑन द काउंट ऑफ 3 वड़ा पाव खिलाएंगे, पेट भर के खिलाएंगे, वड़ा पाव खिलाएंगे,
ट्रॉफी लेके जाएंगे,
वड़ा पाव खिलाएंगे, ट्रॉफी लेके जाएंगे। जी हाँ, ऐसा लगने लगा है कि जलेबी फाफड़ा और वड़ा पाव के बीच इस जंग में वड़ा पाव अपना रंग जमा चुका है। 24/7. This is the 5th over. They're under huge pressure. And we've got Hiren, who plays the first delivery exceptionally well. That's the end of the 5th over. 3 overs and 33 to win. The score is 5 overs, 24/7. Five overs, 24/7. And the equation is 3 overs, 33 to win. And we've got Hiren, who's there. Man of crisis. जी हाँ, हिरेन के बारे में ये कहना चाहूंगा मैं कि हिरेन प्रेशर सिनेरियो के लिए परफेक्ट क्राइसिस मैन है, जिसे कहते हैं ये बंदा है फांसी का फंदा सामने वाली टीम के लिए। शुभम coming into ball is second over. On strike is Devang. That's a great start to the over. 33 to win in 17 deliveries. What a match we are having. The IIFL Finance Champions League at the Khalsa ground here in Matunga, Mumbai. Maratha Warriors playing the best cricket that they could have played. That's a great delivery. He's missed that again. 16 deliveries, 33 to win. Everybody is either standing or on the edge of their seats. The kind of performance Maratha Warriors bowlers have given in the second innings has been inspirational, exemplary. And he's gone! Another wicket down. Look at them, look at them. Just look at them. जी हाँ, यहाँ बवाल मच गया है, जबरदस्त. Earlier they were dancing, now they are dancing with the chairs in hands. आगे क्या होगा कहना मुश्किल है, लेकिन मराठा वॉरियर्स की तारीफ करनी होगी. 20 रन पर 8 विकेट ले लिए हैं. शुभम का ये चौथा विकेट है. क्या परफॉर्मेंस है शुभम की. और शुभम ने बहुत ही शुभ संकेत दिए हैं अपने टीम के लिए. 4 विकेट ले चुके हैं वो. ये उनका दूसरा ओवर है. दिस इज द 6th ओवर. द स्कोर इज 20 for 8 in 5.3 overs and 15 बॉल्स पे अब चाहिए 33 रन. अर्जुन राठवा, द न्यू बैटर. लेकिन मैं ये कहना चाहूंगा कि हिरेन अभी भी हैं, और जब तक हिरेन क्रीज पर हैं पिक्चर अभी बाकी है मेरे दोस्त. हालांकि प्रेशर इस समय पूरी तरह से गुजरात रॉयल गुजरात टाइटंस के टीम में है, उनके खेमे में है. दैट्स अ गुड स्टार्ट बाय अर्जुन, बट हिरेन नॉट टेकिंग द रिस्क एज द बॉल वाज स्ट्रेट इनटू द हैंड्स ऑफ द फील्डर एट शॉर्ट फाइन लेग. Oh, there was chance of a run out, but rightly sent back by Hiren. जी हाँ, यहाँ पर ऑल आउट का ऐड करते हुए सारे दर्शक। That's played nicely. Will be a single easily. And that's the end of the 6th over. 21 for 8. 2 overs, 32 to win. And it's a Herculean task now. That is why cricket is sometimes called a funny game. You never expected Maratha Warriors to score just 52. And then you never expected the Royal Gujarat Lions to be in a position like this. 21 for 8, and Akshay coming into bowl is next over. 12 deliveries, 32 to win, and they still have Hiren at the other end, who's played only one delivery and was a spectator at the other end.
अरे दर्शित दोषी इधर आ जाइए, आपके लिए जलेबी फाफड़ा मंगा दिए हैं, फटाफट आइए, 1 केजी का ऑर्डर हुआ है आपके लिए। दर्शित दोषी आपको बुलाया जा रहा है इधर, आ जाओ हमारे साथ सपोर्ट करो, जलेबी खाने मिलेगी आपको।
Well, all those were not my words, just for the benefit of the spectators and viewers. I need to give this disclaimer, but that was all in the lighter moment. And these fun moments are the ones that will be remembered for long, apart from the cricket which is being played. Such high intensity cricket by both the teams, especially Maratha Warriors. They have fought like true warriors. And we've got Akshay coming to bowl his first over. On strike is Arjun. "11 deliveries, 32 to win." They will have to give strike to Hiren. They cannot afford to just keep on playing dot deliveries and then take a single on the last delivery and then again play a dot delivery. This is poor cricket to say the least by Royal Gujarat Lions. Hiren also needs to be a bit desperate about taking the strike. Just can't leave the game like that. That's a good shot. This will be probably a single. There's a fielder out there. And they are appealing for a no ball, but the umpire not interested. 10 deliveries and 31 to win. If anybody could do this, it is Hiren. He is the man in crisis. Been with them for almost every match that they won, and that super over victory that he gave to his team in the semi-final would be remembered for a long time. But this is the time where he could be a real hero for the team. 10 runs, 10 deliveries and 31 runs is what they need. The equation pretty much in favor of the Maratha Warriors currently. But till the time Hiren is at the crease, I would want to say that picture abhi baki hai mere dost. But right now the Maratha Warriors playing to the best of their potential and abilities. And people who have seen Hiren's game in these 2 days would agree with me. Good delivery, brilliant bowling by Akshay. Tremendous stuff. Right in the block hole. And that's a leg by. Some real hot support here for the Maratha Warriors. The entire dugout is surrounded by their supporters. A lot of spectators have come from various cities to watch this tournament. That's a good shot. This could be a boundary. The fielder is trying to stop that. Oh, that's a boundary. Much needed one. Arjun does it. And that's the need of the hour. 8 deliveries, 26 to win. This match is still not over, guys. 27 for 8, 8 deliveries and 26 to win. If we can hit 2 boundaries in the next 2 deliveries, it will be 18 in the last over, but right now it's 26 runs to win in 8 deliveries. Mitesh, nail biter of a match.
वो कहते हैं ना तलवार ना शस्त्र, ना दोस्त ना मित्र, और ये खेल है बड़ा विचित्र.
Absolutely, it's a strange game. The pendulum can go either way at any point in time. 8 deliveries, 26 Akshay to Arjun. That's a good shot. This could be a boundary. What a shot that is! Straight back over the bowler's head. No chance for the fielder at long on. Just a spectator out there, the long off and long on fielders. 22 to win in 7 deliveries now, and this match, is it taking a turn now? What a performance by Arjun. He's 10 of 7 deliveries, 2 boundaries, tremendous batting. Arjun Rathod, and that was as straight as an arrow of Arjun. And this shot was as straight by Arjun as could have been an arrow sent by the archer Arjun, the great Arjuna. And let's see if Arjun Rathwa can do it for the team. 22 to win in 7 deliveries. What a match, what a final. Still a lot of cricket remaining. Akshay coming in to bowl the last delivery of his over. Good delivery. Will he come back for the second? First run taken quickly. And that's a great piece of work by the fielder. That's the end of the over. The score is 32 for 8, 21 to win in 6 deliveries. And we have been screaming out of our lungs in this final. That's how amazing the performance of all the players have been. No matter which team wins this final, both the teams have won the hearts of all the spectators and viewers watching from all their locations respectively. The spectators in the ground as well as the viewers watching it live on the YouTube stream. Maratha Warriors, they've done a tremendous job, but you can't keep the Royal Gujarat Lions out of the game. Still 6 deliveries remaining. 21 to win. (32 for 8, 7 overs). What a match we've had. The IIFL Finance Champions League final. A nail-biter finish. And if such kind of cricket is going to be played by the IIFL players, probably IIFL will think of issuing tickets for the finals the next year. The kind of performances these players have showcased. ऐसी performance को देखने के लिए लोग टिकट खरीद कर भी देखने आएंगे. You never know, they've got such huge talent and a pool of amazing players. You never know, any one of them could be playing for the big leagues out there. But this is high quality cricket by both the teams, especially Maratha Warriors in the second innings. They could not score much in the first innings, but what a comeback by their bowlers. And Shubham leading the pack with 4 wickets. And after that, some really hot, raw pace by Mayur Divekar, who took 3 wickets, the first 3 wickets. And he was the one who opened the floodgates for the bowling team. So it's going to be Vinayak who will be bowling the last over. On strike is Arjun. (21) is what they need in 6 deliveries. If they can make it happen, this is going to be a night to remember for the Royal Gujarat Lions. Maratha Warriors are the favourites right now because they've done a tremendous job defending that score of 52. They've allowed only 32 runs in the first 7 overs. And can the Gujarat team score 21 in the last 6 deliveries? That is what the question will be in the minds of all the Royal Gujarat Lions supporters. Oh, and starts off with a dot delivery. That looks to be a decision where the batter is not happy. We'll have to look at the replay. In the air. Will that be a 6? Looks as if yes. What a shot! Tremendous batting. 15 to win now in 4 deliveries. Absolutely stunning batting, and the long on fielder tried his best. Arjun on fire. Look at the power behind the shot. What a batting performance under pressure. Look at that. A big 6 over the long on boundary. Arjun on fire. They now need 15 to win in 4 deliveries. Tremendous batting by Arjun. Can Arjun be the Pandav of the Royal Gujarat Lions?
Dil dhak dhak, dhak dhak, dhak dhak, dhak dhak, dhak dhak.
Absolutely stunning shot under pressure. Not at all easy for any batter. When you have to score 21 in the first deliveries, is not in your favor. But the second delivery converted by Arjun for a huge hit. Just have a look at that replay on the screen. What a shot that was. One of the best shots that we've seen, not just in this match, but in the tournament as well. 4 deliveries, 15 to win. And the entire dugout of Maratha Warriors has been silenced with that one shot. And this time, it's a wide, yes. 14 to win. And the umpire giving it in the favor of the batting team this time. It was a close call on the first delivery. And this time the umpire ensuring and he gives this decision. So 14 to win. 14 to win in 4 deliveries. Can Arjun do that? What a shot! Is that a 6? Yes! What a player! What a shot! 3 deliveries, 8 to win. Look at them in the eyes. They're all silenced. That is probably the best shot of this match. Flat 6. Look at that replay. Oh, wow. What a shot that is. It went into the boundary like a tracer bullet. Dare I say that? Dare I say that? Ravi Shastriji's. It went into the boundary like a tracer bullet. Dare I say that? Tremendous batting by Arjun. 8 runs, 3 deliveries. 8 runs, 3 deliveries.
Yeah, absolutely. That went like a tracer bullet.
45 for 8. This match is turning on its head. What a performance by Arjun Rachwa. 3 deliveries, 8 to win. The pressure is now on Vinayak, the bowler. Maratha Warriors, they've done everything right in this match till now in the second innings. And Royal Gujarat Lions did everything wrong in the second innings. But now it looks as if Royal Gujarat Lions are doing everything right. Arjun back on strike. 3 deliveries. He's already hit 2 huge sixes. 8 to win. Oh, and that's a big wide. That is a ball under pressure. 7 to win in 3 deliveries. This is absolute drama. Absolute box office stuff. 3 deliveries, 7 to win. The bowler is under huge pressure. A wide delivered at the wrong time. 3 deliveries, 7 to win. This is nothing but pressure. Everybody's heartbeat is currently running at 144. Mark my words, guys. They have bitten all their nails and they're searching for new nails now to bite. What a thriller of a match. What a thriller of a final. A jaw-dropping contest. A ripper of a final. 3 deliveries, 7 to win. He's bowled him. He has got him. Look at that. What a match.
Okay, that's a famous Marathi commentary. Dandi, 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 Dandi. Dandi, 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 Gul.
Absolutely, and what a match. Still 7 to win in 2 deliveries. They need one big hit. If their batter scores a big 6, or maybe he should give the strike to Hiren. And in my opinion, the strategy should be they should give the strike to Hiren, and Hiren is the one who should go for the big one. But let's see what they will decide. What a match. The heartbeats are running at 144. Mentioned it already. 2 deliveries, 7 to win. Who will take the IIFL Finance Champions League? And he's missed it. What a delivery. And now they cannot lose. Maratha Warriors cannot lose this match. If they bowl a legitimate delivery, they will have to now hit a 6 to even go for a super over. Last delivery. Royal Gujarat Lions. Can he hit a 6? Ketan Marla is the batter. He has no option but to go for a Marla. Ketan Marla has no option but to prove his name worth and go for a shot where everybody could say, Ketan Marla! Can he do that for his team? Last delivery. Oh, and that's probably a no ball. It's a no ball. It's a no ball. And it's a free hit as well. It's a free hit as well. It's a no ball. It is a no ball, a free hit. And now they need 6 to win on the last delivery. Can Ketan Marla score that most important shot of this match? Can he do a Javed Miadat last ball 6? We'll have to see that. Ketan Marla can do it. He has the ability, and pressure is both on the bowler and the batter as well. What a match. What a final. Absolutely brilliant. And this is going to be a free hit as well. 1 delivery, 6 to win. This is a free hit. He has the license. And they've done it. Vinayak has done it. What a tournament. What a final. What a final. And it's been a privilege to bring this final live through a commentary. I've been a part of a lot of tournaments, let me tell you guys. But this is a special match, a special final, 2 special teams, and a special finish as well. And eventually Maratha Warriors proving to be the best team of this final and in this tournament. The Royal Gujarat Lions, they should be proud of the way they played throughout the tournament. Brilliant cricket under pressure by a lot of players in this final. What a performance by both the players. Hello guys. 1, 2, 3. Well played, Maratha Warriors. Brilliant. What a tournament. What a performance by both the teams in the finals. What a final. What great moments. Absolutely brilliant. Mitesh, what a tournament we had.
we can say only. So beautiful, so elegant, so damdar, so dhamakedar, just looking like a wow! Oh my God! Absolutely, this is a celebration. Maratha Warriors, the winner. And look at it. Ooh. Wow, absolutely. And now, Maratha Warriors, वो क्वेश्चन आता है, फाइनल मैच या परफॉर्म, व्हाट हैपनिंग? So all the spectators wait for the presentation ceremony. This will be more exciting coming up. The presentation party will begin in some time. It will be near the pavilion area. And that's handshakes. That's what needed. The sportsmanship. Absolutely fantastic performance. And this is what the cricket is called for. Sir, if you were to express, how is the feeling right now?
Very good. I think it was a very exciting match and both the teams played very well. It was a match worthy of the final. And I think both Maharashtra and Gujarat, Maratha Warriors and Gujarat Royals played very well. And it was a match worthy of the final.
Absolutely. It was like Maratha Warriors एक फाइनल इनिंग्स में बिल्कुल यहाँ पर जो चाहते थे कि ज्यादा रन्स बनाएंगे, पर वो कहते हैं हार कर जीतने वाले को बाजीगर कहते हैं, और हार कर जीतने वाले को मराठा वॉरियर्स भी कहते हैं. And we'll be starting presentation ceremony. That is at the pavilion area. So I request you can just take a 5 minutes break and join this final post-match presentation in some time.